Hi, I'm Ammon Brown, Head of Growth at WorkClaw. Let's talk about what WorkClaw can do for you. WorkClaw is essentially an entire team of AI agents that work with your team side by side. We're putting your AI agents on your org chart. Most AI agents are exactly that, one agent, whereas WorkClaw is a whole team of agents, each with a specialty, so they never get confused. You can have one that's a blogger claw, a research claw, an administrative assistant claw, whatever you need. Getting started with WorkClaw is simple. I have my entire team of claws here on the left, and I can just create a new dedicated specialist claw. In this case, perhaps I want Recruiter Claw. Recruiter Claw is going to look for new candidates for a couple of roles that we had open. I can give them a personality, I can give them a title, and I can control who can communicate with this claw. Specific team members, my entire team, or just me. In addition, claws can talk to each other, so they can pass information back and forth, they can share skills, they can share files. In this case, I'm going to share this claw with the entire team because recruiting is everyone's job. When I connect my claw to my Slack space, he's going to get his own name. So once I've created a claw, each one has their own computer. I'm able to explore its file system, add skills from our skills library, and I can connect any one of 3,000 different apps to allow that claw to do the work it needs to get done. For instance, I'm telling Hiring Claw to scan my competitors' job boards from time to time and see what roles they're hiring for. And what's going to happen in the background, it's going to create its own skill, it's going to create its own schedule, and it's going to check those job boards on a daily basis and send those to me in Slack, email, wherever I prefer. As an admin, I can install skills to any one of my claws. If I needed to monitor my competitors, I could just install the competitive analysis skill directly to Hiring Claw, just like that. I just onboarded a Hiring Claw in under 2 minutes, and now I'm going to kick back while it does my work. You can onboard a claw to do your work at workclaw.com.